I said wake up. Oh, shit. There you are. Maybe I should have used less sedatives. But I managed to have fun with you. Oh, no. Remember Megan? She's a real fighter, that one. Megan. I didn't mean for this to happen, Jonas. All I wanted was for you to see me. To look at me the same way you look at her. Is she okay? I hope Megan's okay. Don't do anything stupid, Leah. Please, just let us go. It's way too late for that, sweetie. I'm not a moron. I'm not sure how to solve this, but I'll figure it out. One way or another, you're going to stay with me. She's the real problem, though. Please, don't hurt her. See? This is exactly what I mean. You don't care about me this way. Oh, she's yelling. She is yelling. Okay. All right, cuckoo lady. Of course you cry yourself to sleep. Probably never. Probably never gonna see. I mean, I see you right now because you're in my face. But no. Jonas? Uh-oh. Leah, stop it. You are the reason. It's all because of you. Oh my gosh. What a... Why couldn't you just have died in that fire? It would have solved everything. You just have to love my Jonas. I know how to change your mind. Take a look at these. Oh my... What? How's that going to change her mind? We weren't even dating then. She's like showing all these pictures. Trying to thinking Megan's going to, like, I don't know, dislike me or something. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't know. That happened before we became a couple, Megan. Don't listen to her, Megan. Shut up. Oh, okay. All right. Megan should see the real you. Well, okay, keep punching her, though. There's nothing special about you. All you are is a pretty face. Oh, no. Don't do... No. That's it. I know exactly what to do with you now. I just need some tools. Don't worry. I'll be right back. Megan. Yeah? Are you hurt? No, I'm okay. We need to get out of here now. Can you move? No, I'm bound too tightly. I have a little wiggle room, but not enough. Look around. Can you see anything that can help us? No, I don't see anything. Wait, there's a gun over there. I brought that gun here. It's Peter's gun. What? Why did you bring a gun? I'll explain later. Can you reach it? How? I can't even move my legs, let alone my arms. Fuck. Jonas, what is she going to do with us? I don't know, but we need to escape before she comes back. She's crazy, Megan. She killed Melissa. Oh no. Try to tip the chair over. Okay. I can't do it. It's too tight. Oh shit, I got out. Nice. My hands are still tied though. Key jingles. Oh no, she's coming back. Quick, get back on the chair. Fuck. Alright. Now try to get your hands free. I'll distract her. Oh no, she's brought tools though. Oh. Scalpels are amazing. So small, but so sharp. Without applying force, they allow for such great effect and precision. To cut through flesh like butter. It's an amazing tool. Where shall we begin? Leave her alone! Am I free yet? Oh no, don't do it, no! Maybe we should start with those brown eyes. Brown like cow eyes. Disgusting. Or maybe slice off that big ugly nose. Oh no, don't do it! Jonas? What do you like most about Megan? Please don't. Leah, you've got to stop this. I'll do anything. Oh, come on, Jonas. Tell me what you like about her. While you're over there, why don't you start cutting him up? I know which part I would cut off first. What the fuck? Oh, what's that? Do I sense some tension? I think Megan is playing her game now, you know. Like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Yes. Oh, that's okay. That was the key word. That was the word, so Jonas knows exactly what's going on. Improv is all about saying yes. So she's improvising. Doing a little improv here. There you go. One of us starts a scene, and the other one joins in and reacts to what's happening. All right, we're going to do some improv class, so maybe these acting lessons paid off. All right, here we go. Yeah, we don't need... I mean, we already know what's happening. There you go. Fuck you, Megan. Oh, Jesus, Jonas is really getting into it. Who are you calling a slut? All right. Is there anything you won't fuck? You're the slut. If I had that scalpel, I would cut your... Oh, okay. Don't go there, Megan. Jeez. Jeez Louise, Megan. Do not go there. Oh, wow. Look at that, Jonas. It seems like Megan has had a change of heart. Too bad she's faking it. Do you think I'm stupid? Do you? You're an actress. This is what you do. I'm not faking shit. Go ahead and cut him. We'll see about that. Oh, man, she grabbed the gun. Maybe we need that scalpel, though. What is going on here? There. Pick up the scalpel. Oh, she freed him. I want you to cut him deep. Oh, she freed her. Okay. With pleasure. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to slash you as hard as I can. All right, let's see. Oh, no. Okay, what's she gonna do? I love you. There you go. Oh, shit. Hopefully no one is hurt. Please. Okay, Jonas is out. His hand is bleeding. She's out too. What's going on? I'll be right back with you. Alright, we're talking to the police. I love you so much. And I love you too. Thanks to you, we're both alive. She killed Melissa. Yes, because of me. No, Jonas, it's not your fault. It was all because of her. And now she's gone.